Alright, well, good morning, YouTube. We got the Hughes out. We're out on Sarasota Bay. I'll leave it at that. If you're local, you can probably figure out where we are. And we're trying to get some snook today. But let me show you the motor guy in action. We got the anchor lock on, so it is holding us right here, right where we want to be. Who needs a power pole? And hopefully we will get a snook or some snook. Nice glass calm day. There's a little bit of a breeze out of the east, but it's not really that bad at all. We are fishing on the east side of the bay. But alright, we're gonna get to it. Alright, so Andrew's hooked up. We don't know what it is. We think it's a trout. No, it's a snook. It's the targeted species. There you go. Very nice. Got it on a Mirrodine. Yeah, they're on the backpack blue. Right, Steph's cup there. Little snook, schooly snook on the Mirrodine. About 12, 13 inches or so.
Something like that. He's skinny.
So there are fish alive. For those that know about the red tide in our area, mostly north of us, but we weren't really sure what we'd find when we came out today. Very nice. Andrew's hooked up again, a little bit better than the first one.
Not much.
He lost a real nice one just a minute ago. Mirrodine is where it's at today. I'm gonna have to make a change. Life's like, yeah, me first. Nice line slider.
Alright, settle down.
Woo! Yes. Alright.
Off it goes.
The other thing I want to mention about the motor guide, guys, this thing is whisper quiet. I cannot hear it. And that's not to bash any of the other brands. We love Andrew's Minn Kota, but it is, I don't even know it's working. I have to keep checking it. Alright, let's get some more stuff. Little Snook. Little Snook on a terrorize. Terror. DOA terrorize, guys. Oh, he's bleeding, but my hook's up there. See you, buddy.
So, if you want to.
You ordered another one, right?